Hello guys, welcome to Bhamna's Online Academy. So today we are going to see how to score exemption in cost accounting. That's your paper number 3. So yes guys, we will start with seeing the chapter and its weightages. So first you have a theory and cost sheet which will come in your exam for 10 to 15 marks. Then material, labor, overheads, ABC cost accounting system will come for 35 to 40 marks. Standard, marginal and budget will come for 20 to 25 marks. And unit and batch, job and contract, process, joint and buy and service costing. These 5 chapters will come for 25 to 30 marks again. Okay, so before we proceed into the video on how on the chapter order or which chapter you should start from to score exemption, I'll tell you a few points that you should keep in mind. Point number 1 is that you need to remember that working out sums in costing paper is very important. Okay, you need to work out sum. This is not a theory paper, so until and unless you don't work out your sums on pen using your pen and your paper, costing is something which is not going to stay in your mind for a long time. And always remember, when you study all of these chapters, always remember to prepare notes. Okay, always prepare your notes. Don't prepare your notes only after reading your chapter. Always prepare notes after you have worked out all the sums in the chapter, because once you work out all the sums, you will know which formulas are important or which formulas are asked, which formulas are not asked at all. So according to that, please prepare your notes. Okay guys, so now let's move into the video. Now we will see the chapter order. So first what you should read is your material, labor, overheads, ABC and cost accounting system chapter, which comes for 35 to 40 marks in the exam. So usually in your exam, your labor, material and overheads chapter, these 3 chapters usually comes for 25 marks in the exams, and then you have your ABC and cost accounting system. So if you know that these 3 chapters are going to definitely come in your 25 marks for your exams, it is smart that you first prepare this set of chapters, your material, labor, overheads, ABC, that is your activity based costing, and cost accounting system. Okay, so then once you prepare this, your 35 to 40 marks in the exam will be prepared. Next, there is assurance that standard, marginal and budget will come for 20 to 25 marks in the exam. Usually in every exam, your material, labor and overheads come for 25 marks, and your standard, marginal and budget comes for 25 marks. So after you complete studying this set of chapters, you need to move on to this set. Okay, you have to study your standard, marginal and budget. 20 to 25 marks will be secured in your exam. That means if you complete this set of chapters, these marks will be attained. That means 55 to 65 marks in your exam will be in your hands. Okay, will be in your hands. So once you knew that you are going to pass now, because more than pass actually, so once you complete all of these, what you can do is, if you are strong in theory, you can take up theory and cost sheet and study that. But I would recommend you not to go with theory. Take this paper as a practical paper and prepare more for practical and go. So what you have to do next is, you have to prepare your unit and batch, joint and contract chapter, process, joint and buy and service costing chapter. These 5 chapters you will prepare. That means your next 25 to 30 marks will be secured. That means 55 to 65 is already what we will get after we read these both chapters. Then you have to prepare your 25 to 30 marks. That means, so for 80 to 95 marks you are going to prepare. For 80 to 95 marks you are going to prepare, which is awesome. So always remember to follow this order, because these 3 chapters comes for 25 marks definitely in every exam, and these 3 chapters comes for 25 marks definitely in exam. So if you read these both itself, you will get very sure of passing. So to add your exemption in that, you can either go with this or this, but I will recommend you to go with this, so that you have a very good practical approach to the paper. Okay guys, hope you found this video useful. So this was a quick video on how to score exemption on costing. I am coming up with many more subjects this week, so stay tuned. Also, if you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit on the notification icon so you get notified every time I post a new video. Thank you guys.